Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Windows 11 product key. I will be showing you at least two methods today in case the first method doesn't work. So first you just have to go to Start menu and then type CMD or look for command prompt. Run this as administrator. And right here inside the box, what you're going to do is to follow what I'm going to type. So this is what it looks like. Now you just have to follow this. WMIC space path space software licensing service and then space get and space 0A3X original product key. Press enter. Now, once you press this enter, you should see your product key right after that, right after you press enter here. But in some cases, or in some device or some PC, you will see this notification that this product key or this method right here is not available or is not compatible with your device. So the second option here I'm going to show you is you have to do this using this registry editor. So go to Start menu, type Registry Editor, and then locate this local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, software protection platform, and you will see your product key right here. So if you want me to do that, so again, you have to go to the search menu, click Registry Editor, and then here you have to locate a local machine, okay, which is this one. Under local machine, you have to look for software, okay, and then scroll down here. Now you have to look for Microsoft, and then specifically, you have to scroll down again and look for Windows NT. Under Windows NT folder, you should look for current version, and then under current version, you have to look for software protection platform, and then there you will see your product key. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.